when I was just younger and single, I didn't really think about getting a camper.
For sure.
But then later, I started viewing it as imperative because there's so much headache with packing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like you got to go like load your truck up. Oh, I need 5 sleeping bags. That would be 5 sleeping pads. That'd be like cups and bowls for 5 people. And it becomes daunting.
100%.
Then it kind of occurred to me one day, it's something that has occurred to Americans continuously for how many ever decades, is get an RV, dude, and all that stuff is just in there. Then you just go, and it winds up being not such a headache all the time.
Absolutely, man. I don't know. I just loved from our first conversation, it was all about practical tools. It was all about what do I need to be able to actually like go out there and have a fantastic time.
Oh, sweet.
What's up, Steve?
Dude, that's a mega camper, man.
We're not here to mess around.
Dude, good to see you guys, man.
Good to see you too.
That is badass.
Looks kind of mean, doesn't it?
Yeah.
3-4 months ago, was sitting on the couch with my son watching MeatEater, and he actually said, why don't you work with that guy?
And you took his advice?
This was all his idea. Keystone's whole vibe is we do proven and practical RVs. I mean, Steve's whole vibe is proven and practical.
Sure.
So send an email off into the ether, and next thing I know, you're calling me.
Because I'm a camper enthusiast.
I know, right?
Man, we spend more time out and get out quicker when our stuff's just ready to roll.
Completely agree with all of that. Cody here is like the RV designer extraordinaire,
Okay.
and really got to take some of the vision that you had talked about and some ideas he had and kind of marry these things into one pretty badass new rig.
Oh yeah, I remember some things that we talked. There would be a like outdoor sink area, you know?
You brought up boot storage. You were like, man, if someone could figure out like wet, muddy gear.
Yeah, I thought like a way to transition, outdoor water, fish cleaning, game prep kind of stuff outside. And then sleep's a group.
Does.
Yeah, that's real important.
I think you're gonna be impressed.
I'm already plotting. I'm already thinking about how I got to get this thing all the way out to Nebraska in November.
This is a one-of-one proto. We made one unit, and we want you to camp it hard, field test it.
Put it through its real paces.
Yeah. Really do it.
I don't know what else that buck is like. He's just like nose to the ground.
Good shot, man. Yeah.
Hey, it's the Keystone crew there, huh?
Hey, what's up, Steve?
What's up, Steve?
You got some blueprints drawn up. You guys look official.
Yeah, we're not here to mess around, man. We're looking forward to the feedback. We've been field testing this thing for a while now.
Yeah, we've done a bunch of stuff. And right now, I'll point out I'm sitting below my sunlight. And we had a conversation about what I would love in a camper. Like if you had given me a decade to brainstorm, I would never have thought to include the idea that there would be a view up.
This is the wild product brain of Mr. Cody Shade here, so.
No, we love it. And but to start out by telling you what I like, just all the systems are great. With the solar panels, you generate a ton of electricity. Water system's easy to use. You can cook and everything for weeks and not have a propane issue. The master bedroom is like this beautiful. It's beautiful. Tons of storage space. Being able to close the door is great for privacy. Kids love the bunk beds. Real spacious and comfortable. They got lights. They got place they can charge stuff if they want to charge it. Then the real kind of craziest thing, we were up camping on National Forest up by the north entrance to Yellowstone Park, elk hunting with the kids. The forecast was 4, but we marked 3 degrees.
Okay.
All right. The snow. Everybody got wet. We were able to throw boot liners and even a couple pairs of pants in that boot room. All the boot liners dry in there. That is just a really nice feature. And it also just gives you a place when you come in, everything's muddy. It just gives you a place to clear them out. Shower's fantastic. The fridge freezer's like something you'd have at home. We do a lot of cooking. So having that fridge freezer space, and you can put like actual size things in there, you know, like actual size milk jugs and stuff with kids. Tons of glass, tons of windows. It's beautiful. The floor plan, you can clear everything out. There's a ton of area in here to do stuff. The other night we had 7 people in here cooking dinner and eating dinner, and like totally comfortable.
You know, we talked a little bit about the cooking source. As far as the cooking surface itself, you kind of like to have a little bit more BTUs or a bigger cooking surface.
Yeah, I'll show you. This really, honestly, man, is the only thing that I'm absolutely certain of. Boiling water and stuff's no problem, but I would just like more flame and more spread out so I can do 2 pans.
Yeah, that's definitely something that's easy for us to improve, especially with the space that we have there.
Got any other key feedback for us, Steve?
Yeah, no, it's been great. I love how thought out everything is. Things are pretty intuitive and just easy to use, easy to explain to people. And we've had some real success. The trips we've done, the hunting trips we've done, we've enjoyed tremendous success. And it only just now is occurring to me that it might be something to do with the camper, man. I don't know.
Your new good luck charm.
We had a phenomenal whitetail hunt. We had a great elk hunt with the kids. It just hit me now that things have really turned around for me.
I think that I just heard we get to take credit for Steve's hunting.